In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned a synthetic hair into a more human hair. And we're going to use this spring twist. I used number 1B and it's 16 inches. Number 1B usually mimics so many hair colors, especially the 4C hair. And therefore I used this one that mimicked the same color as my client's hair. So I used 2-pack. And therefore you see me putting it in hot water. It's almost boiling, but not the boiling one. I didn't want it to be more straight. I wanted it to have some more curl. So you can see me dipping them into hot water. I'll dip all of them. Yeah, the water was very hot. So I'll dip all of them. It doesn't take long. I was waiting for like maybe a few seconds and then removing. So you have different ways. You can, if you want it more straight, you can leave it for maybe 10 minutes or you can leave it for like few seconds like me. You can see it still has the curls but it's more straight. Yes, the hair is more straight than the original one. And you can see the color, the curls are still there. So that's what I wanted. And therefore we are going to use it. I'm putting them in the towel just to drain water. And therefore we're going to use it just like that on the hair. You can see my client had natural hair. So that is the part. You see how neat it looks. She didn't want very small. She wanted something medium. She wanted even larger than this one, but because I know this style, it doesn't look so good when you put them in larger sizes. So I tried to put them the small size as this one, but she was like, she wanted more. She gets so tired sitting down. So this is the best I could get for her. And therefore, we're just going to first start by braiding down to get it more stuck in. And then after braiding it all down, and then maybe 3 to 4 times, and then you're going to twist. You twist it down the way you're seeing me doing, and that's what the style that I used. I tried my best to, keep the length also longer. I love it when it's longer. She wanted a little bit shorter so that it can also, take shorter time. But you just twist the hair the way you see me twisting it down. And, at the end, you try and rub them together so that the ends can stick together. So just stay tuned and see what I'm doing. Thank you so much. If you've watched my video up to this time, please subscribe, like, leave your comments. This style is really beautiful. It's a very good protective style. And I've also done another video that I did it on my own hair and it came out so nicely. So stay tuned and then you'll see how the final look is. I also tried to style it. You can style it in different ways. I mean, it looked so good. something that your budget, cost effective, and you want something that is giving you the human hair look, but you don't have the money to buy the real human hair, I would really advise that you do the synthetic hair. You dip it in hot water. I mean, it looks beautiful. I love it. Look at the way I did the box braid. The box braid really looked good. Not really looked good. You can see the back part of it, and therefore this is the final look. You see how it is. It's full in the head, and then the ends. I'm going to add mousse to it so that it's more curly and it's more relaxed, and you see how much flexible and how it's moving. And therefore, look at the final look that I did styling to. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to attach another video of how I did it on my own hair, and you can do it as a DIY for yourself, or you can do it for your client. Thank you. God bless.